You know, after a rough day of safer at home, a Hendrix and tonic really hits the spot. Anyway, welcome to Rob and Stacy's Kovid Kitchen. And today, as you can see, was refrigerator clean out day. And I don't know about you guys, but you know, we get to a point where the refrigerator is just gotta be emptied out and cleaned out. And so we end up with this. And when that happens, Stacy, you know, I come home and there's a pile, and Stacy usually says, do something with this. All right, so let's see what we got. Let's see, there's some shredded carrots, baby carrots. This is some ham from Spain, big chunk of ginger, cashews, lemon zest from the chicken we made the other day, chicken broth, more ginger. These are the collard greens from the chicken we made the other day. Oh, we got peanuts, more ginger and an onion. Obviously, we like ginger around here. Peas, fennel. Oh, we got cilantro from our next door neighbor's garden. And this is some, this is leftover potato and mango. I don't know about that. Asian salad mix, kale salad mix. What's this? Oh, these are chicken tenders I made a couple of days ago for some pizza. Those will be good. And pancetta. And rice, leftover rice. Yeah, so I think this all screams for some fried rice. Leftover rice is great for fried rice because it has a chance to dry out, and that way it fries up really nicely. So yeah, I think we'll do that, and maybe I'll try and find a way to make it maybe a little Thai flavored. Okay, so let me get this all organized and figured out, and we'll be back in a minute to make some kitchen clean out fried rice. All right, so got everything organized here, and let's go through it. We got that Asian salad mix. It was mostly cabbage, so that's going to work out really good. We got peas, got the shredded carrots, found a green onion that was on its last legs in there. We got some cilantro from our neighbor, got some of the fennel just thinly sliced, a mixture of the peanuts and cashews, the peas, used some of the collard greens that we had, garlic, and the pancetta, of course a lot of ginger. This is a mixture of basil and mint, and got that out of the front yard and the little plant behind me, of course the red onion that we have. Okay, and the rice, of course. So there it is, kind of all ready to go because this has got to happen quickly. Now, a couple of things about pantry. One of the reasons that, you know, I do all this kind of stuff is because I have all this stuff in my pantry, and there's some important things to have, like rice, seasoned rice wine vinegar is like, that's my go-to. And of course, there's some soy sauce, and this is you know, that sweet Thai chili sauce, and some Thai fish oil. So all of these things are available just about everywhere now in the Asian food section, you know, of any grocery store of note. So not hard to get, and I try and keep a lot of different spices and a lot of different weird sauces and ingredients in the refrigerator so that, you know, I can just mix it up and make it up as I go. So let's get going on this. Now, this is going to happen on a high heat. And so I like this avocado oil a lot that we get from one of the big box stores, and it's a very high smoke temperature, 500 degrees, very mild flavor. Really like this stuff. And in China they have a saying called hot, cold boil. And so I got the pan on my highest burner here, getting it hot. And yeah, we're just going to put some oil in. And first, I'm just going to put the chicken, pancetta, and the onions, just to get that going. I don't have a wok, so I'm using my high carbon, my steel carbon pan. And it's well seasoned and things usually don't stick very much. So we're just going to kind of get these flavors in here a little bit. And I'm going to put the ginger in there too to kind of blend these flavors in with the meat first. And going to go pretty quick. Just going to warm it up, not really looking to cook it. I mean, the chicken's already cooked. We're just looking to get the ginger flavor. Now, you'll notice that, the ginger's pretty big. And that's so, people don't accidentally get a big mouthful of ginger. You can pick it out. Okay, that's good. That's all we need to do for this. And I'm going to dump that out and scrape out the pan. And then I'm just going to take a damp wet rag and wipe it out. Now, if we had a wok, it would be a little bit easier, but I don't anymore. I used to have one. I don't really do that anymore. So this is how I'm going to do it. Awesome. Whoops. I'm going to put some oil back in there. Get that a little bit hot. And now we go for the rice. And you can see, it sticks a little, that's okay. But the rice has been dried out. It sat in the refrigerator for a couple of days and it's been drying out. And it's not very good like that unless you fry it. And then it works really great. So we're just going to get that fine. Let it sit for a little bit. We don't want to get it too dry and too crisp so that it really gets hard. But we do want to get it flavored with the oil. Okay, now we just start adding the vegetables. Now we're not going to add the more aromatic herbs, mostly the harder vegetables because they will take longer to cook. And I'm making a little bit of a mess, but you got to work fast. That's okay. And some garlic. Put in mustard, the collard greens because they're already cooked. And yeah, it's starting to get a nice toast to it. You can smell it and really see that the rice is starting to toast a little bit. And that's where we want to be. We want the vegetables to stay, kind of raw, just warmed up, because we don't want everything to be soggy and funky. So now I'm going to put the nuts in there. Of course, you can leave the nuts out if you're nut sensitive. And I'm going to go back with the meat and the onions. Try not to throw them all over the place. This pan's a little bit small for all of this, as you can see. And now we're going to go for a little fish sauce. Not too much. This stuff is pretty strong. You don't want it to be too fishy. Just, have that little fish sauce pie hit to it. And then we're going to go with a little bit of seasoned rice wine vinegar, just to give it a tang. A good amount of the chili sauce. A little bit of the soy sauce. Turning the heat down now because it's really starting to go off. And then, oh yeah, you can start really smelling that. It's awesome. There we go. Oh yeah. And I'm going to take a little taste of it just to see where we're at. same go. A little fennel. Now we start adding the real aromatic stuff. And we want these green items to really not cook very much because this adds a real freshness to it, right? So we want them to stay really fresh and really uncooked. Now we're just going to turn it off. It's hot enough. It's going to finish itself. Lastly, I'm going to put a lime leaf I got off the lime tree. That's kind of signature Thai. And I think that's it. Oh, a little lime juice. Just to give it a little more good flavor. There we go. One more taste, see if it needs anything else. Yeah, that'll do. All right. In our bowl. Heats off. All comes out. You can see, you know, it really, a little stick here and there, but a well-seasoned cast, well-seasoned high-carbon steel pan is really a great non-stick pan. I don't use non-stick pans at all anymore because they just don't work. So there we go. You can see that some of the rice got a nice little toast on it. Everything looks great. And it smells great too. Now I've got some Thai chili oil in the fridge that I made up with some Thai chilies that I grew, but I'm going to leave this out because this stuff is wake me up hot. So that's a little too hot for a lot of people, so I'm going to leave that alone. And the final finish is I found a little coconut that Stacy bakes with usually. And I'm just going to do that. Just a little tiny bit. Basil. Just to make it look a little nice, maybe something like that. And yeah, that's it. There it is in a nutshell. Clean out refrigerator clean out Thai fried rice, more or less. I mean, you know, nothing I make is authentic, but no complaints so far. So we're gonna sit down and have this. This is gonna be our dinner, a one-dish meal. Thanks for watching. This is Rob and Stacy's Kovid Kitchen. And if we survive any more of these safer at home days, we'll be back. See you later. Oh God. Oh, that chili oil. Chili oil is hot.